Hey, what's up again, everyone? Welcome. And today, let's learn about Nginx. Okay. Today I want to show the step. Okay, how to set up basic Nginx. Okay, for your server. Okay, if you want to use a proxy server, yeah, which is it's an Nginx, or maybe yeah, you can use another, of course. But here, I want to show you guys how to set up a simple Nginx for your server. Yeah. So basically, it's just very simple. Okay. Let's start it, right? And yeah, okay, I already opened my virtual machine here using SSH. Yeah, here I'm using Ubuntu 20 LTS. Okay, yep, that is it. Okay, that's my IP address. Okay, which is that we will access it later. Okay, right. So this is it. The first thing that you want to do, of course, you want just to type sudo apt get update, right? So not update, but update, right? Okay. So just update your virtual machine. Okay. Yep. Let's just wait. Okay, it's yeah. Okay, it's done, and maybe of course, now we want to install the Nginx. Okay, it's very simple in Ubuntu. Okay, you just type like this sudo apt. Like you can maybe type apt get install. Sorry, Nginx, and don't forget to type like this. Okay, so it will just automatically download everything here. Okay, so that's all. Let's wait, right? That's it. Okay, Nginx is already installed, and we can let's see. Okay, this is my server, which is the IP address that you see before. Let's just refresh it, and now it's changed, right? Welcome to Nginx. If you see this page, it means that the Nginx web server is successfully installed and working. Okay, but you have to config. Uh, you have to modify the config. Okay, because of course you won't just use this, right? So here is it. Okay, that's all. Okay, I will show you some comments first. Like, if you want to check like the sudo service or no, it's like use systemctl. Okay, and the next status like this. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I put the wrong order here. Like status Nginx like this. Okay. You can see that Nginx is already running here, and it's so good here. Okay. And also you can use this command, yeah, like this service and the next status. Okay, so basically there are two commands that you can use. Okay, sudo systemctl or sudo service. Okay, but you have to remember the order is different. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, let's try to stop the Nginx first. Okay, sudo service Nginx stop, right? Because we want to stop the Nginx. If we see here, okay, it's that we refresh it. Yeah, it's like this again. Okay, because we already stopped the Nginx. Okay, as you can see here, we can check the status. It's yeah, okay, it's not running anymore. Okay, you can see here the inactive, right? So basically you just want to start it again like this. Just start and refresh, and boom, the Nginx is already running there. Pretty simple, right? The other thing that I want to do, oh yeah, this is you can type restart. Okay, like this. Okay, basically it's just restart your Nginx, stop and start. If you change the configuration, sometimes you want to do a restart command, yeah, to make sure that everything is applied to the Nginx. So yeah, let's just clear it out. Like this. Okay. Usually Nginx is located in this folder. Okay, cd /etc /nginx. Okay, you can see it. Okay, and you can just check what is here. Okay, you can see. Okay, there's a lot of files and folders here, but usually that you want to modify is the nginx dot configuration here, and this folder, I mean, okay, the search available and the sites enable. Okay, basically like those three that you usually modify for me. Okay, so and the other thing that I want to show you, okay, I will not show you the configuration in this video today because I want just to show you like a basic simple setup. But let's change our folder again. Okay, I want to go to far slash where that dot html. Right? Okay, we are here. As you can see here, there are HTML for Nginx. Okay, basically just copy this file and we want to edit it again using pseudonano, right? Just type pseudonano and then name and you are here. Okay, it's the same like this. Okay, we want, let's say I want to change this one, right? Welcome to Nginx. Okay, welcome to Flickr's website, right? Okay, like this. Okay, you just can just save it, okay, using a Control X like this. Control X and then type yeah. Yes. Okay. Enter. Done. Okay. Let's see if it's changed now. Yes, it's already changed. Okay. Right. So that's pretty simple. That's how you can do it. It's very simple, and sometimes maybe the thing that you change is not updated. In case that you have to, like I said before, let's start it right like this. But in this case, you don't have to. Okay. But it's always the best practice to always restart Nginx if you modify something, just to make sure. Okay, so yeah, basically that's all that I can show you guys today. It's pretty simple, right? I know that you can do it. Okay, you can do it on your local computer as well. Okay, Nginx is a reverse proxy. If you don't know what it is, just try to Google it on the internet. There are a lot better explanation. Okay, that you can find. Okay. So yeah, that's all from me today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Okay, and I guess see you in another video. Bye.